Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel IT Genius. In today's session, we are taking a chapter 10th of recently launched Excel 2022 course, focusing on XP22 Excel chapter 10 ML2 flat plan. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Here is project description. Here is assignment title and project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, and complete course through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and shows on PC screen. Step number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name. Basically in this step we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded Excel file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can see here it's my Excel workbook. Okay, question number 1 is completed. Now moving on question number 2. Its assignment has main 2 questions. Question 1 has 75 marks and question number 3 is 25 marks. Question number 1 is that use the get and transform tools to import text file exp22 Excel chapter 10 greater ML2 flat pan. Okay, go to Excel workbook, go to data tab, then go to new query, then new file, and from Excel workbook. Okay, update credential. Okay, then go to desktop. I have saved this XP22 Excel chapter 10 greater ML2 flat plan, then import this file. Okay, this file will be imported. Then XP22 Excel chapter 10 greater, and then sheet 1 XP22 Excel chapter 10 greater flat plan. Load this file will be loaded here. Then I have completed this step. Question number 2 is completed. Now moving on question number 3. Question number 3 has 25 mark. Rename the worksheet as flats. Rename the worksheet as a flat. Right click on this and rename this as a flat. Okay, rename, then delete, rename the worksheet as flat. I have done this assignment. You can see here question number 1 has 75 marks and question number 2 is 25 marks. I have done this complete assignment. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes and complete course. You can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and both are shown on my PC screen. I will provide you A+ grade in your assignment, exam, quizzes and complete course. I am handling many students course from USA and Canada and many students from Humber College, Polytechnic College and many more. I can do all courses: Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, Accounting, Finance, Math and many more. Please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. I will provide you A+ grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.